Okay, it's day one of camping. Hi, it's me, Emily G. Yeah, day one of camping. We are good. It's woods. That's our tent right there. That's my uncle's tent. We're having dinner right now. We got a fire going. That's my little sister right there. And that's someone. That's my uncle. There's a lot of trees here. They're very tall. Yes, this is the woods. Just had to cough for a second. Over here, we're walking around. And there's the whole trail leading up to the bathrooms and stuff. That's my uncle's tent, my uncle's car. That's our truck right there. There's my brother in the hammock. Well, it's day one of camping. It's going pretty good. Up there, we haven't spent a night here yet, but we've been having pretty good weather. We went to the beach and we got wet. And we went to Lake Michigan. Well, that's all. Day one of camping. Success. Bye, Emily G's Kids TV.